pain, the suffering. He put me through this. He made me a monster. Well, if a monster he wants, then a monster he will get. He took everything from me. My family, my friends, my life. I'll never be the same. I can never go back. He killed everyone. But now, he'll regret it. He'll regret it for the rest of his pathetic, worthless life. I'm Jane, and don't you dare put the killer at the end of my name. It sounds too much like his. Oh, I will find him, and I will kill him. Slowly, painfully, with the worst pain he's felt yet. And then, it's your turn. Don't go to sleep. You won't wake up.